We are expert in high-precision machining parts, especially parts of optical system and accurate motion systems. We do high-mix, low-volume production, usually dozens to few hundreds per batch.
Seven years ago, I rented the building behind us to be our precision machining inspection operation hub in Guangzhou, China. I made this drop by hand. Let's see how it looks inside right now. So parts are arriving and delivered from that gate. Once they arrive, we bring them here, we unpack them and arrange them carefully on this kind of plastic trays. This way, it's very visible and our QC inspector can easily find any visual issues. Let's go inside our QC room and see what's going on over there. Over here on this screen, we can see our QC inspection priority. All the highest priority parts are arranged on these shelves. Each inspector will come, we see the QC priority, we take a part from the shelf and start inspecting it.
We are expert in high-precision machining parts, especially parts of optical system and accurate motion systems. We do high-mix, low-volume production, usually dozens to few hundreds per batch.
And here we make sure that the quality is superb. We have tons of pin gauge and thread gauges. We have all the standard gauges. Of course, we also buy a lot of custom gauges for projects that need them. Once the inspection is done, the inspector will take the parts and bring it over here. If the part is rejected, they'll put it in the red area. If it's qualified, it will be in the green. We're also doing cleaning here in another area. So after the parts are cleaned, they have been brought here again and signed off by the QC. Let's see what happens after the QC is done. Oh, by the way, here we check a little bit bigger parts. Over here we have a profile projector. After QC inspection, the qualified parts are brought here. They are counted and logged by our warehouse team. After that, we will take them to our packing area. It will go either to our customers or to our stock. The parts will return to our manufacturing partners will go here. We immediately pack them and ship them back out for rework or for scrap. So our superhero toilets. And this is our clean room. Here we wash parts and dry them and pack them in a clean environment.